Obviously, we had the cyclone come through late Sunday, early Monday morning. Both Northampton and Kalbarri took a fairly decent sized hit. Down poles, conductor, both HV, LV, and obviously there's a lot of building damage as well. At its peak, there was more than 30,000 customers off. We did do a helicopter patrol on Monday and we picked up at least between Geraldton, Northampton and Kalbarri. We'd lost in excess of 150 distribution poles that we could see. So that was just the two lines that head up that way. They had massive communications issues, so not just mobile phones, but email, getting onto our systems. Basically, we've sort of had to revert back to the early 1990s where it's all paper-based sort of stuff, and then had to get in the system as we sort of got access back. We're boots on the ground up in Kalbarri today, and then Northampton as well.
We got in late last night. We're currently just going to all the properties and inspecting them for damage, and there's hazards everywhere. There's wires down, and we need to make sure everyone's safe before anything gets re-energised. We won't be leaving until it's all fixed. Big numbers will be coming here with their trucks and stuff. We're just the first on site and disconnecting or issuing action packs, make an assessment and then get the troops in after that, I think.
Always for us, it's safety first. We are doing the best we can. We're working hard, extremely hard. But again, I'll just remind you that we're safe first. If you do happen to come across any downed infrastructure, Western Power infrastructure, please stay a safe 8 metres away, and then utilise either our website if you can get access, or our 131351 number, and we will dispatch someone out as soon as we can.